Connor, at 6:45, healthcare costs are a concern. We know that. You probably feel it at home or know somebody that does. Now, a bipartisan push in Washington could make hospital prices easier to understand, maybe save you money along the way. Scripps News White House correspondent Joe St. George tells us what could change.
There's a lot happening in Washington these days between the war in the Middle East and the midterms quickly approaching. And while partisan fighting is taking place, something bipartisan is emerging, an effort to pass a new health care law that some experts say will reduce costs. Imagine going to the grocery store, not knowing the price of meat before you ask the butcher to slice it, or filling up your tank without knowing what a gas station is charging for a gallon of gas. On Capitol Hill, that's the argument lawmakers are making as they push to do something that may seem unthinkable in this political environment: pass a bipartisan health care law.
No one can see any of the prices.
In recent days, Democratic senators like John Hickenlooper of Colorado have teamed up with Republican senators like Roger Marshall of Kansas to advance what is known as the Patients Deserve Price Tags Act, which would require hospitals to advertise free of charge all of their most standard charges, and not just estimates. Failure to do so would result in fines and the inability to collect debts. Lawmakers telling reporters that transparency will create competition and lower prices.
$1,000 a month. That's what we think that this bill can save an American family.
Not everyone is on board, with opposition forming in the medical community. The American Hospital Association writing the proposed law will increase the administrative burden placed on hospitals and health systems. Price transparency has been a priority of President Trump in recent years, increasing the chance this could become law. The White House recently warned hundreds of hospitals that they were not following existing rules when it comes to transparency.
The stars are lined up right now.
Joe St. George, Scripps News Group, Washington.